Hotel Wi-Fi got you raging. I'm about to show you how to conquer that pesky login screen and get back to gaming. First things first, from the PS5 home screen, head over to Settings. It's usually located at the top right, looks like a little gear icon. Scroll down and select Network. This is where we'll be tweaking those connection settings. Next, click on Set up Internet Connection. This will bring up a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your hotel's Wi-Fi network from the list. Usually it will have hotel name in it. Now, this is the crucial part. Do not select Connect. Press Options button on your controller. Select Advanced Settings. This where we can set IP address, DNS and other configuration. Select DNS settings and manually set DNS. Primary DNS set it to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS set it to 8.8.4.4. Go back to Hotel Wi-Fi and select Connect. Now you would be prompted to Hotel Login page. After successful login, happy gaming.